Guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to send gifts on Telegram. I know most people don't know they can actually send gifts on Telegram, but you can do that. Yes, you can do that and just use your card to send someone gifts. Right, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Right, open up your Telegram app and you're going to click on the person's DM you want to send the gift to. Right, so as you can see right here, you now have to click on those three dots and see send a gift. Click on send a gift and you are going to pick any one of your choice, and I'm going to send those love, yeah, right here. You can decide to hide your name or leave it on and click on send a gift for 15 stars. Your balance is 0 stars, so you have to add your card to that. So you have to get your stars first. As you can see, 100 star costs in Nigerian currency 3,669 naira. I'll click on that, and now this is where I'm going to add my card. So right here you have to add your card, and once you save it up, this 3,669 naira will be deducted for 100 Telegram stars. So after doing that, you can now be able to send this gift worth 15 stars, and your stars are going to remain 85 stars, which you can actually use continuously. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.